So as soon as I say through and I say explosions, I want y'all all to shout explosions.
So we're saying explosions with you, not
Yes,
after, not the
with me.
after.
Yes. If you're getting error code P0312, this means the 12th cylinder in your engine is not working. In order to understand why, we have to go to the engine. Within each cylinder is a piston. That piston is connected to the crankshaft, and that crankshaft is connected to a connecting rod. Boop. The engine then delivers power to the drivetrain through explosions! These explosions cause the piston to go down, which then turns the crankshaft. Now, most engines work on a 4-stroke combustion cycle. Intake, compression, power, unstoppable punch, and exhaust. Unless you're riding a dirt bike or something from the 1980s, in which case fix doesn't work for you, and you don't go here. On the intake stroke, the piston moves down, opening the valve, which then pulls in a mixture of oxygen and fuel. On the compression stroke, the piston moves back up as the valves close, compressing the gas and fuel mixture. On the power stroke, just before the piston reaches the top, the spark plug ignites the fuel and oxygen mixture, which then forces the piston back down. On the exhaust stroke, once it's at the bottom, the exhaust valve opens and the exhaust exits the cylinder. This process repeats hundreds of times in each cylinder. Take that, Michael Bay. So, combustion requires 3 elements: fuel, oxygen, and spark. The intake stroke provides the fuel and the oxygen, and the power stroke provides the spark. If any of these 3 components are not provided, the engine will not fire. Or misfire! Do better! Lonnie, you didn't even say yours. There are a lot of reasons for a misfire. For the spark plugs, it could be the spark plug itself, spark plug wires, or the ignition coil. The fuel components include bad fuel injectors, bad fuel filters. It can be any of the air intake components. Mechanical elements can also be a problem. It could be anything to do with your fuel, your oxygen, or your spark. So we've narrowed down a list of problems that account for the majority of the cylinder misfire causes. Just check out our website or the link below. If you found this video useful and want more car health content, make sure to click subscribe. Happy driving, everyone.